From idea to income, how to launch your first business. You've got a dream, an idea that could change everything, but how do you turn it into real income? What if I told you that millions of people just like you are starting businesses from scratch while you're still stuck in your 9-to-5? But it's not too late. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to take your idea and transform it into a business that generates income. Ready? Let's go. 1. Finding the right idea, the spark of possibility. Let's talk about ideas. The truth is, every successful business starts with a simple idea. But here's the catch. Not all ideas are created equal. You don't need to reinvent the wheel, but you do need an idea that aligns with what people need or what they desire. Think about it. How many times have you thought, why doesn't this exist yet? Or, why doesn't this work better? That frustration is the golden seed for your business idea. Here's the secret. You don't need to be unique, just relevant. How can you improve what's already out there? Can you make it easier, faster, more enjoyable? And this, my friends, is where fear kicks in. The fear that your idea might fail. But listen, if you never start, you'll never know. There's only one way to find out. Take the leap. So take a second, pause the video, grab a pen and jot down your idea. Right now, even if it feels small, it's the first step. Now don't overthink it. If it's real to you, it's real to someone else. Remember, the world needs what you have to offer. 2. Market research, your business's backbone. Now let's talk about the grind. Once you have an idea, it's time for market research. And yes, this is where many people check out. But listen, this is where the magic happens. Here's a tough truth. The world doesn't care about your idea unless you can prove that people want it. If your idea is a dud, no one will buy into it, no matter how amazing you think it is. But don't panic. There's an easy way to figure this out. Think about your target audience. Who are they? What do they want? How much are they willing to pay for your solution? You need to validate your idea. Can you find your audience online? Do they talk about the problems your idea solves? Do they spend money on similar solutions? Now here's where urgency comes in. Time is money. Every minute you wait is a missed opportunity. Don't delay. Do a quick Google search, create a simple survey, or check out social media groups. Your market is out there, waiting for you to show up. And you might be thinking, this sounds like a lot of work. But trust me, it's worth it. In fact, some of the most successful entrepreneurs spend as much time understanding their market as they do on the product itself. Transition with a humorous, upbeat line. And hey, if you find out no one wants your idea, it's not a failure. It's just free feedback. And who doesn't love free stuff? 3. Building the foundation, setting up for success. Once you know there's demand for your idea, it's time to build the foundation. Now here's where things get real. You're no longer just dreaming. You're setting yourself up for action. But here's where fear strikes again. What if you don't know where to start? Maybe you've never built a website, or maybe marketing terms sound like another language to you. Here's the truth. You don't need to be perfect right out the gate. You just need to start. So let's talk logistics. Setting up the essentials. Your business name, a simple website or landing page, a payment processor, and social media accounts. And here's a pro tip. Make it simple. Don't get bogged down in tech details. It's not about the flashy website at first. It's about getting your message in front of the right people. Remember, you're building a business, not a tech empire. Just get it done. 4. Marketing, turning strangers into customers. Now the fun begins. Marketing your business. This is where you really need to get out of your comfort zone. Most people feel the fear here. How will you get the word out? What if no one cares? But here's the thing. Marketing doesn't have to be complicated. Start with what you know. Social media platforms are free. Yes, free, and they give you direct access to your audience. Start building relationships, sharing value, and showing your face, even if your business is faceless. Hint, this video is a prime example. People connect with people, and remember, content is king. Create posts, videos, and blogs that answer your audience's questions. What problems do they have? How can your business solve them? Keep it consistent, keep it real, and always focus on providing value. Here's the kicker: the money will follow. Hold on though, before you start diving into Instagram stories. There's one last piece that could make or break your success. 5. Scaling, from one to many. You've launched, you've marketed. Now comes the big question: how do you scale? And this is where the real growth happens. Let me give you a secret. Most businesses fail because they don't scale properly. They plateau, they get stuck. So once you've got a steady stream of customers, the next step is to automate and delegate. Do you really need to be the one answering every customer email, or could a team member handle it? Can you automate your sales funnel to run 24/7? This is where you shift from working in your business to working on your business. Now let's take a step back. Don't rush it. Scaling takes time. Don't let the fear of growth overwhelm you. But don't wait too long either. The longer you wait, the less likely you are to break through that next level. And if you're feeling overwhelmed by all this, just remember, it's normal. Building a business isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. So there you have it. From idea to income. It's not as impossible as it might seem. But let me leave you with one final thought. Success isn't about avoiding failure. It's about learning from it and moving forward. So here's your challenge. In the next 48 hours, take one action. Whether it's doing market research, setting up your website, or reaching out to your first customer, take that step. Don't wait until tomorrow. Tomorrow might never come. Are you ready to turn your idea into income? Or will you let fear keep you on the sidelines? The choice is yours. And in the next video, I'm going to reveal the top mistakes new entrepreneurs make and how you can avoid them. End screen with a CTA to subscribe and watch the next video.